We are at the Busey residence. This is the finished install here. As you can see, we have the system installed here, holding water, keeping them safe, so that they can have a livable basement. Now in this, they had to go around obstacles, which is not a problem. That's an elevated furnace, so there's no problem there. Okay. And then the system drains off right into the sump pump. It goes up against the wall. And this was the area that was leaking. Also, we have a special material we painted on the walls that keeps out the moisture. You can see what it looks like.